Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? Choose the correct meanings of the underlying words or phrase. የተሰመረባቸውን ቃላት ሚኒንጋቸውን በደንብ መናገር ነው በቃ። Okay, question number 1. I am going to tie up this house tomorrow morning. So, tied up means tied up your shoe, tied up your clothes, tied up your uniform. ታለ አጽዳ፣ ዩኒፎርምን አጽዳ፣ ቤቱን አጽዳ። ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? The answer is clean. Question number 2. He wants to be well-to-do and he doesn't need any help. Will you answer well-to-do? ልጁ መሆን የሚፈልገው የሆነ ነገር አለና በቃ እርዳታ አልፈልግም ከማንም እያለ ነው። ስለዚህ he doesn't need any help. So, will you answer? The answer should be rich. Question number 3. He is leaving. I think he is a bigger fish to fry. ለምሳሌ I have a bigger fish to fry for you. ላንተ የሚጠቅም አንድ ነገር አለኝ እያልኩ ነው። ስለዚህ ማለት ነው ግን he is leaving. I think he has a bigger fish to fry. የሆነ አንድ ነገር አለ፣ የሚጠቅም ነገር፣ የሚሰራው ነገር አለ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ማነው መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው? Will you answer? The answer should be D. As next one is question number 4. I hear they have fallen out. Who their daughters should marry. Don't fall now with your friends. Don't fall now with your parents. Don't fall now with me. So always fallen out means quarrel. So the answer should be fallen out ማለት መጣላት፣ fight ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ተመሳሳዩ ደግሞ A ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ተመሳሳዩ ማን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? A, quarrel. Question number 5. She waited on tables to earn money while she was in college. She waited on tables to earn ማለት get ማለት ነው። money while she was in college. She waited on tables to earn money while she was in college. So waited on ካለ ምንድነው ስራሽ ካልኩኝ ለምሳሌ I waited on tables or I wait on tables ካለ እንደ አስተናጋጅ ነው ስራ፣ አስተናጋጅነት እያለች ነው። ስለዚህ መልሱ ማንም ይሆን ማለት ነው። The answer should be A. Question number 6. I don't know how we are going to cope with such an increasing cost of living this year. Cope with ግራ ገብቶኛል እኔ እንዴት አድርጌ መኖር እንዳለብኝ እያለ ነው። ስለዚህ cope with manage. Cope with means cope with መልሱ ማንም የሆነው manage. Next one is question number 7. It seems she turned down his ideas going out with him. What is shame? Turn down his paper. Turn down his idea. ማስወገድ reject ማለት ነው። Turn down your ideas. Reject አረገችው፣ በቃ ሀሳቡን አልተቀበለችው ማለት ነው። question number 8. I don't get along with most of my classmates. በቃ ከአብዛኛው ከክላስ ጓደኞቿ ጋር አልስማማም እያለ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እኔ ግን ተስማማ ነው የምለው። You must get along with your classmates. So the answer agree. Get along with means what? Agree. Question number 9. He is a mediocre student that he gets ranked neither to the last nor to the first. Mediocre ማለት እዚህ ላይ neither to the last nor to the first መጨረሻ የማይወጣም መጀመሪያ የማይወጣም። ስለዚህ diligent አይሆንም፣ witty አይሆንም። so be ማንም የሆነ ማለት ነው average ነው፣ ተማሪው መካከለኛ ተማሪ ነው ማለት ነው። question number 10. There was a blackout in the city. We couldn't watch the match of Arsenal versus Manchester City. ካልኩኝ አሁን blackout in the city ማለት በከተማ ውስጥ ሙሉ በሙሉ መብራት ጠፍቷል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ there was a blackout in the city. We couldn't watch the match of Arsenal versus Manchester City. So we will answer out. ማንም የሆነው መልሱ the power. There was a power off. ሙሉ በሙሉ በከተማ መብራት የለም ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ከዚህ አካባቢ መብራት ጠፍቷል። there is a brown out ካልኩኝ አካባቢው ላይ መብራት ጠፍቷል። ብላክ አውት ከሆነ ሙሉ በሙሉ በከተማ መብራት ጠፍቷል ማለት ነው። okay, next one is question number okay, this is the last this is the last. Thanks for watching this video.